Hello, my name is Sam, and welcome to BrainTech. In this video, I will show you how to unlock my TikTok account. To start, open your TikTok application in your mobile device, then head on over to your profile on the bottom right, then tap on the three horizontal lines on the upper right, then click on Settings and Privacy. Now scroll down and look for Report a Problem. Now wait for TikTok to finish loading. Over at Report a Problem menu, you're going to now click on Account and Profile. Now tap Login and then click Suspended Account. In here, tap on the button that says No, and then click on Need More Help. Now using the description box, you will now input your problem with your TikTok account. Now go ahead, take your time in typing, or you can wait for me to finish typing and then you can copy what I'm writing here on my screen. You could also attach proof or evidence by clicking on the image icon and the video icon, attaching a photo or a video. Once you are done, click on Submit in the lower corner. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.